According to Piaget, the cognitive adaptation is regulated by two mechanisms: assimilation, that allows experimental data to be inserted into schemas or prior knowledge without making any modifications; accommodation, that takes place when the processed schemas are modified to integrate the new elements coming from experience. Two factors are involved in the process of acquiring new knowledge: knowledge previously stored in memory and the ability to process information. Osbel clarifies the difference between rote and meaningful learning, and between receptive and discovery learning. The rote learning is based on the transmission of information without considering prior knowledge. Meaningful learning is generated through the interaction between prior knowledge and new information. This mechanism therefore implies a restructuring of the knowledge already processed by the learner. Any instructional strategy can activate both meaningful learning and rote learning. Usually, expository teaching activates rote learning. Discovery activities activate meaningful learning. Both of them are needed in the teaching processes. These statements were also confirmed by Rote in his meta-analysis. He wrote that directive approaches are effective when they are not alone, but when they are interspersed with moments dedicated to feedback, formative evaluation, formative assessment, and the development of metacognitive strategies. For example, in the initial stages of schooling, rote learning can be more effective. In planning educational interventions, we should proceed in a gradual manner, starting from the general concepts and then reaching the more particular ones by means of a progressive differentiation. Progressive assimilation and differentiation are the basis of meaningful learning, as they modify and integrate the cognitive structure of the involved learners.